Welcome back to Tech Wonders HD. Today we're diving into the innovative world of foldable smartphones, and at the center stage is the OnePlus Open, and with competitors like Samsung and Google dominating the foldable market. OnePlus is stepping up to the challenge with its latest creation. The OnePlus Open isn't just a phone. It's a bold statement in the evolution of technology. As the first foldable phone from OnePlus, it enters the arena with a unique form factor that sets it apart from the crowd. But how does it measure up against the giants, Samsung and Google? Let's find out in this comprehensive review as we unfold the OnePlus Open and explore its features that might just redefine the foldable game. Now let's talk about the OnePlus Open's design, a harmonious blend of aesthetics and functionality. When closed, the OnePlus Open presents itself as almost indistinguishable from a regular smartphone. The sleek and slim profile gives it that familiar feel. But here's where the magic happens. Unfold it, and you're greeted by a generous folding screen on the inside. In terms of thickness, OnePlus has managed to strike a remarkable balance. At just 3mm thicker than their standard smartphones, the Open avoids the chunky and cumbersome feel often associated with foldable devices. Take that, Samsung and Google. But what truly catches the eye is the outside screen. The size at 631 inches, it mirrors the dimensions of a regular flat phone, making it seamlessly intuitive for daily use. OnePlus has nailed the art of making the folding experience feel like second nature, a design triumph that puts the OnePlus Open in a league of its own. Let's unfold the brilliance of the OnePlus Open's display, where innovation meets visual excellence. The 7.82-inch inside screen is nothing short of spectacular. Boasting remarkable sharpness, the display rivals the best in the market, offering a visual feast for your eyes. The brightness. Oh, it's like holding a pocket-sized sun in your hands, with a dazzling 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring every swipe and scroll is buttery smooth. And here's the real kicker, the nearly invisible crease. OnePlus has pulled off a near magic trick with the folding technology, making the crease practically disappear. You'll need a keen eye to spot it, giving you an immersive and uninterrupted viewing experience. Now let's talk about durability. The hinge is not just a folding mechanism, it's a testament to engineering prowess. Smooth, sturdy, and rated for an impressive 1 million folds. That's 5 times the durability of the latest Samsung and Google phones. OnePlus is setting a new standard in foldable durability, making the OnePlus Open a true pioneer in the world of folding smartphones. Speaking of competitors, OnePlus isn't just keeping up, it's setting the pace. The OnePlus Open stands tall against the competition, showcasing the brand's commitment to pushing the boundaries of foldable screen technology. It's not just a phone, it's a visual marvel. Let's look into the craftsmanship that makes the OnePlus Open a sturdy companion in your tech journey. The screen, a masterpiece in itself, is crafted from a delicate dance of ultra-thin glass and plastic. While this combination allows the magic of folding to happen, it also demands a bit of care. A word of caution. Press too hard and you might leave a mark. So treat it like the delicate beauty it is. Now let's talk about vulnerabilities. Like any foldable phone, the OnePlus Open has its quirks. The screen, while resilient, demands a gentle touch. A reminder that it's a bit more delicate than your everyday smartphone. When it comes to resisting the elements, the OnePlus Open can handle a splash or two. It comes with splash water resistance, making it a reliable companion in everyday scenarios. However, it's crucial to note the absence of dust resistance. So, while it might survive a rain shower, keep it clear of dusty adventures. In the world of foldable phones, durability is the name of the game, and OnePlus has played its cards wisely, with thoughtful material choices and a splash-resistant design. The OnePlus Open is built to withstand the twists and turns of your daily tech exploration. Now exploring the powerhouse that fuels the OnePlus Open's performance. Under the hood, it boasts the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, the beating heart of top Androids in 2023, coupled with a whopping 16 GB of RAM. Yes, you heard it right. As much RAM as a laptop. Brace yourselves for a performance that's not just snappy. It's a full-speed tech roller coaster. Snappiness, responsiveness. The OnePlus Open doesn't just keep up, it leads the pack. Multitasking? Oh, it's a breeze. Handling anything you throw its way, from intensive apps to seamless multitasking. This is a device that doesn't break a sweat. What about its battery life? The OnePlus Open clocks in at a remarkable 46 hours between charges. That's right, 46 hours? It's like having a personal tech assistant that never gets tired. And when it needs a power boost, fear not. The included power adapter can fully charge it in just over 40 minutes. Lightning fast, isn't it? But let's address the elephant in the room, the absence of wireless charging. OnePlus sticks to its roots, prioritizing fast wired charging. While some might miss the wireless convenience, the charging speed more than makes up for it. It's a trade-off, and in the world of OnePlus, speed is the name of the game. Fast, reliable, and always ready for action. That's the OnePlus Open for you. Now let's unravel the digital symphony that orchestrates the OnePlus Open's user experience. The software. It dances to the tune of Oxygenos 13.2, a customized version of Android 13 tailored specifically for the OnePlus Open. One of the standout features is the canvas's multitasking system. Imagine a canvas that expands beyond the physical limits of the screen, allowing apps to remain full size instead of squished into thin or wide views. This elegant solution is a game changer, offering a bigger view of each app while effortlessly handling 3 or more at a time. A taskbar at the bottom of the screen adds a touch of convenience, making on-screen app juggling a breeze. But how does it stack up against the competition? While Oxygenos 13.2 brings a bit more capability to the table than Google's Fold, it falls short of the bells and whistles that make Samsung's implementation a powerhouse. The home screen, shared between the outside and inside screens, lacks the customization options Samsung provides. In the vast landscape of foldable software, the OnePlus Open holds its ground, offering a good balance of functionality and innovation. This Canvas's system, a testament to OnePlus's commitment to user experience, adds a brushstroke of creativity to the foldable canvas. It may not have all the flashy extras, but it knows how to paint a picture of seamless multitasking, making every interaction a masterpiece in its own right. Time to shift our focus to the lens of the OnePlus Open, the camera system that turns every moment into a masterpiece. The enormous camera bump on the back houses a trio of lenses, a 48-MP main, a 48-MP ultra-wide, and a 64MP telephoto with a 3x optical zoom. Picture this pixel perfection at your fingertips. Let's talk performance. The main camera excels, capturing details with finesse and handling mixed lighting like a maestro. The ultra-wide lens adds a solid touch, while the telephoto lens takes you on a visual journey with its 3x optical zoom, extending to 6 in bright light. It's like having a professional photographer in your pocket. But like any art form, there are nuances. Motion, especially in dimmer lighting, presents a challenge, resulting in photos that might lack the sharpness you crave. Video capture is solid, though not the absolute best in town. A little finessing might be needed for those dynamic shots. How does it fare against its foldable camera counterparts? The OnePlus Open doesn't just hold its own. It gives the Pixel Fold a run for its money. It might fall slightly short in some areas, but in the grand gallery of foldable cameras, it stands tall. So if you're looking to capture life's moments in pixel perfection, the OnePlus Open's camera system is ready to be your artistic companion. From sweeping landscapes to intimate portraits, it's a visual journey worth taking. Now let's dive into the pocket-friendly world of the OnePlus Open and see if it's a treasure worth investing in, which is priced at €1,599. The OnePlus Open is strategically positioned in the foldable phone market, challenging heavyweights like Samsung and Google. It's an intriguing dance of features and affordability. As we weigh the pros and cons, the OnePlus Open unfolds its strengths, a phone and tablet in one, a form factor that feels natural when closed, a display with the least visible fold crease, and top-notch performance. Snappy, responsive, and a camera that competes with the best. Yet, it faces a few challenges. Splash-proof, but not fully waterproof, a tad fragile compared to traditional phones, and the absence of wireless charging might leave some longing for convenience. In the grand scheme of foldable phones, the OnePlus Open is a mature product, a third-generation attempt that showcases the brand's evolution. But is it the crown jewel in the foldable kingdom? The answer might depend on your priorities. For those seeking a unique blend of form and function, the OnePlus Open beckons. But with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Google Pixel Fold standing at a similar price point, the choice becomes a symphony of personal preferences. In the end, the OnePlus Open is a promising performer, a sign of good things to come for foldables. So is it a worthy investment? Like any masterpiece, it's subjective. If you value innovation, form, and a taste of the future, the OnePlus Open might just be the canvas you've been waiting for. As we wrap up this visual journey, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to Tech Wanderers HD for more tech insights, and ring that notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, tech enthusiasts, keep exploring, keep wondering, and embrace the wonders of the OnePlus Open.